Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back again my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope people you will be fine. You will see the stylish and most beautiful unique new all past videos and unique new past pixie haircuts and most beautiful 2020 unique new all past collections and unique new past bob haircuts ideas. You will see the stylish and unique new all past patterns and unique new past pixie hair colors, light white hair colors, short hairs, front designs and most beautiful back designs, ideas, different collections and you will see the stylish, how much beautiful and outstanding unique new all past pixie hair colors. Girls and women's most beautiful all dye hair colors and latest and unique new past patterns and unique new past pixie hair colors, different styles and how much beautiful unique new 2020 upcoming and unique new past patterns and how much beautiful and attractive, outstanding and stylish best bob haircuts ideas. More than hundreds of new designs ideas to my channel, creative and unique new all collections and you will see the stylish most beautiful modern and attractive all best collections and best bob haircuts with short pixie haircuts ideas and 2020 latest and unique new all collections and past videos and unique new best bob haircuts and pixie haircuts ideas daily on my channel, different styles and most beautiful creative and attractive outstanding and unique new all collections and past patterns and unique new past pixie hair colors and haircuts ideas to my channel to guys who will see the stylish most beautiful modern and attractive all past collections and past pixie hair colors dye haircuts and how much beautiful unique new all 2020 upcoming and outstanding unique new all collections and how much beautiful and unique new past collections and unique new past pixie hair colors, modern and attractive and unique new outstanding and best collections and unique new best pixie haircuts and 2020 unique new outstanding and most beautiful front designs and back designs all collections and most beautiful adorable and unique new all best pixie hair colors with dye light white hair colors ideas to my channel, creative and unique new art collections and past videos and unique new past pixie haircuts with hair colors ideas video my channel, creative and unique new art collections and past videos and unique new past all pixie hair colors with haircuts different collections and most beautiful unique new art collections and most beautiful unique new all past videos 2020 upcoming and unique new art collections and you will see the stylish fabulous and attractive outstanding and most beautiful unique new all past pixie haircuts with hair colors ideas. Till the next video guys, for watching my all videos, see you soon guys. Allah Hafiz.